What time is it? I don't know. Let me check. It's time to rock that mouth. Welcome to Rock That Mouth. I'm so excited that you have joined me, your English coach, on a learning journey. I designed this course because I have spent over 30 years helping fabulous people like famous actors and artists and musical stars and rappers and voiceover talents sound more natural and confident in English. I have over 20 different modules, everything from the difficult sounds in English to difficult words in English to tongue twisters to short and long vowel sounds, the two different kinds of TH, muting, blending, knitting, intonation, you name it, it's in there. It is time to rock that mouth.